Most drone pilots are concerned about flying their drones over water. There is always a chance for your drone to lose power and fall in the water. But now, you don't have to worry about any water damage. Many companies have made some drastic changes in the design to make their drones waterproof. The water-resistant features allow freedom of flight beyond the backyards and fields to water bodies. This video will help you find the best waterproof drone for your budget and needs. Keep watching now. Number 1. Swellpro Spry Waterproof Drone. The folks at PowerVision first captured attention with their Dolphin underwater drone, a submarine, of sorts. Their PowerEgg flying drone was a cool design, but the PowerVision PowerEgg X is a versatile machine that embraces some extra features we might have inadvertently used drones for from time to time. In addition to having a dedicated shell that allows the drone to fly in the rain, and floats to let it land and take off from water, the PowerEgg X breaks down into a compact form factor, embracing its ability to operate as a camcorder. Attach the hand strap to get a basic camcorder feel from your PowerEgg X drone. That's a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, 4K camera with object tracking functions to automate some of your cinematography. Number 2. Parrot Hydrofoil Mini Drone. The Parrot Hydrofoil is a 2-inch-1 machine used as a drone or to power your boat as a motor. Designed for freshwater use, it can be controlled remotely through an iOS and Android smartphone app. To access more stunts and maneuvers, you can also download the free Flight app. The drone has a 550 mAh LiPo battery that provides around 7 minutes of flight time. It takes around 25 minutes for the battery to fully charge. The Parrot Hydrofoil also comes with a mini camera on board, which allows you to take aerial pictures during the drone's flight. On the water, the drone can reach a speed of 10 km/h and 18 km/h in the air. Unfortunately, this drone has only up to 20 meters of controlled distance. The drone has a gyroscope and accelerometer with 3 axes, which work together to ensure ultimate stability. On the water, the Parrot Hydrofoil can reach speeds up to 10 km/h, 6 mph, and 18 km/h, 11 mph, in air. The package includes the manual for the drone, battery, USB cable, hydrofoil, stickers, screws, and user manual. Number 3. Swellpro Spry Waterproof Drone. After 2 years of designing and prototyping, Swellpro introduced the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat. A mixture of a racing quad and a photography drone with first-ever waterproof remote control, the drone can submerge on the water briefly and flip back and fly in the air at over 40 km/h. The built-in monitor in the remote control allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spray can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously. You can also share your flying experience with your friends live. The 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. It allows you to see what's underwater. You can use the remote control to turn the GPS on and off, fly freestyle or activate its advanced flight features like Object Orbit, Follow Me, and return to remote control location. If you're more interested in robotic flying, you can use the Spry app to set up waypoints on the map and fly completely hands-free through a designated path. Number 4. Swellpro Splash Drone 3 Plus Waterproof Drone. Swellpro, the pioneers of waterproof drones, has been leading innovations since 2013. The Splash Drone 3 is the first fully integrated modular waterproof drone. The brand new aluminum alloy 4K camera with a 2-axis waterproof gimbal module is lighter, more durable, and offers excellent stability than ever. The improved propulsion system with its kilovolt motors and carbon fiber propellers provides more power in reserve and agility than ever. In essence, the S3 flight controller guarantees rock-solid stability in all situations. The custom-designed remote controller has a built-in FPV monitor. The propulsion system is not just about raw power, but it's also about stability, eliminating the jelly effect caused by the aircraft's vibrations. The heavy-duty Splash 3 has a waterproof fuselage, engineered especially for use on water in all-weather flight, and is as durable as waterproof. The 4K waterproof camera gimbal is the first of its kind with a wide-angle lens. The camera captures video and MP4 or MOV format up to 4K 24 fps, or 2K 30 fps, and 1080p 60 fps. This also takes breathtaking images of 14 megapixels, either in JPEG or RAW format. With the 4K waterproof camera gimbal module, you get more vivid, sharper and higher resolution footage than ever. The company has built a brain in the Splash Drone 3, the S3 flight controller in GPS mode, to improve position control precision, and thanks to its propulsion system, the Splash Drone 3 can retain its location even in high winds up to 12 meters per second. The drone mainly has several flight modes, including a smart cruise mode, which allows smoother footage to be captured in standard intelligent flight modes such as follow me and mission planning. Switching between modules is fast and easy with fast release system. You can now, in a few seconds, switch from a search and rescue configuration to a 4K aerial shooting platform. The Splash Drone 3 provides you with maximum flexibility in the most compact form factor. Everything you need to fly and capture your footage is remote controlled with an integrated FPV monitor. It has a better range to choose from among 40 channels, ensuring smooth and reliable video feed in all situations. The drone is useful for a wide variety of applications, including 3D mapping, surveying, agriculture, firefighting, wildlife observation, search and rescue, and much more. Number 5. Quad Duo Waterproof Drone. The Quad Duo is a fast, agile, and waterproof drone perfect for flying over water and in the rain. It has a lightweight, watertight, and solid frame. Mainly designed to fly over water bodies with speed and agility, the drone is great for shooting water sports like speedboat racing and jet skiing since it can reach a speed of 40 km per hour. However, the drone does not come with a camera but can accommodate the GoPro action camera and FPV system for recording. The drone has a 4S3700 mAh LiPo battery. While using with GoPro camera, or FPV, it has a flight time of 10 minutes. Its battery takes about 60 minutes to charge. The drone also has LED lights, which allow pilots to perform night flights. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the actionable drones techniques I'm about to share with you.